First, we go to Google and search for SMOV store. After entering the site, we have two options: Start Now and Fast Order. Click on Start Now. Then, create an account by entering your email and password. After logging into your account, you must top up your balance by clicking on Add Funds. Choose a payment method: PayPal or MasterCard via 𝗪𝗲𝗪. Type the balance you want to charge, then choose the payment method. There are several payment methods. Choose the one that suits you or select Worldwide to pay with MasterCard or Visa. Fill in your MasterCard information. Click on Pay. After payment, your balance will appear. Click on New Order. Choose the type of service you want. For example, select Instagram views. Copy the Instagram account link. Choose the number of views and click on Order. You will notice that your balance has decreased. There are many services that can be used or resold. Utilize SMOV store to purchase a large number of followers at a low price, and then resell them. The site is built upon real people. You can also select the country from which you want to acquire followers. It offers services to boost followers, likes, views, reach, and effectiveness for all applications and websites including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Telegram, YouTube, and others.